Yo guys, what's up? Welcome. I hope the audio quality is not that.
What's up?
Yeah, okay, it's okay. Nice. Yeah, we are working on our game engine again, and yeah, I need to show something to you, which is, let me turn down my volume. Okay, so what it is on GitHub. Yes, engine. I hope it's now on the correct commit. Let's test git tests and clone git clone that. Yeah, it is. Okay, so we have that. But off stream I did a batch renderer and stuff. So let's git reset -- hard and pull the commit ID from where I had the batch renderer implemented. What? It's completely gone. Oh my god, why? I hate it. I hate it. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, so today I wanted to make like a spread atlas support and maybe like a better structure for our game, because like we at the moment we need to create it like here with this stuff, which is not that nice. And what I wanted is a type def. How's that? Function callbacks in C. Type def. Yeah. Okay, so it's not signal handler, it's quad updates callback, and we need a quad pointer. This. Okay, and every quad has a quad update callback pointer. Update callback. Yeah. And we just do red.update callback, so if it's a null pointer we can set it if we want, but we don't have to. So we can set it after creation. And in renderer 2D, let's render objects and obviously we need a triangle update callback as well, because we can render triangles. So triangle update callback, triangle. Oh, and wait. We need to define type def struct triangle. Can we do that? Why is it that like that? Type def struct quad. I think that should work. Yeah. So triangle update callback. Yo, what's up, Mr. XC? What's up, bro? Okay, so we have a triangle update callback and a quad update callback. Yeah. And in renderer2d we need a void renderer2d update objects. Where's render? Here. Okay, so for u32 is equal to 0, I is less than state dot quad count I plus plus state dot yeah, no, not that, state dot quads. Ah, by the way, I think the code is too small like always. State dot quads at I is equal to, wait, let me see if the code is okay. Yeah, I think so. Okay, quads at I dot update callback. Just call that, and we only call it if state dot update callbacks is even there. So quads at I dot update callback not equal null pointer, like that. And yeah, we need to do this, the same thing for triangles. So triangle count I plus plus. If state dot triangles at I update callback not equal null pointer state. Okay, don't have that. You join the game. What's that? We call the callback. Nice. Okay, and yeah, so now let's make a new folder, call it game, and have a game.h and a game.c, and I think we have pragma once type def struct game state. We do include quad 2d. That's the dot slash renderer slash quad 2d, and we have a quad player. We have a player and quad pointer background, and yeah, we do void game init. Void game update maybe, or let's just make terminate because we probably don't even need a update. What's that? Function definition not found. Oh, nice that you're showing me this. Game.h like that. And we have a static game state state, and game init will do like that. Yeah. Okay, so we have a quad player. This is not, we do is not a game, is game, or the goofy are members of the idiot of Mr. Maxi. Bruh, okay. So I'm part of some crew. Or what? Like, if you say so, I maybe am. Please, explain it to me, explain it. I don't quite understand what you mean, bro. So I think we don't need the triangles in the game state, because like we don't do real stuff with them. You join or not? Yeah, I mean, obviously I will join. Yeah, let's do it. If I can get in, I will get in. Yeah. Okay, so this should work. Now we need a static void player update callback, which takes in quad this. Ah, by the way, I think we just have it like that. We just need to have it like that. Probably it will not compile, but whatever. Let's try it. Okay, so the update callback. Yeah, let's test that later. Let's just test if it will compile, which I don't really think so. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so those are easy fixes. So first we need to include a renderer/renderer2d here, and in renderer2d in update objects we need to pass in state.quads@I to the function. Yeah. Okay, unused. Quads. Oh, yeah, that's done. This needs to be here, and this needs to be here. So triangles at I. Okay. Yeah, still. In 81, it's not. Okay. Thanks, yeah, you're welcome. Triangle update callback. Which takes in a triangle. I think that should work. Renderer2d. We call the update callback with a quad, which is a pointer. What does the error say? Called object type quad update callback is not a function or function pointer. Ah, now I get it. Now I get it. So, it says it's not a function pointer. So maybe we need to do that. I don't think so, but maybe. No. It's not. Ah, okay, wait. Quad update callback. Maybe like that. Maybe we need to type it like that. No. Okay. We get it. We don't. Create callback in C. Type the void that. Quad update callback. maybe we don't need that. Ah, okay. So triangle update callback needs to be like this. Ah, it's a pointer. It's already a pointer. Because it's a function pointer, it's always a pointer. We don't need to make it a pointer. Okay, now it works. Okay, send in a link. Wait.
Goofy Uncle Productions. Yeah. Walking with the to seal. I feel it's come and smoke my dick.
Thanks,
Hit that
Harrison. Yo,
Tell
thank
that.
you.
Make sure you follow me.
Yo, wild song. Let's leave a thumbs up on this one. Yeah, nice. Now we see nothing, which makes sense because we didn't call the stuff that we need to call, which is don't we do anything here? No. Okay, so we need to include hash includes game/game.h. Now we do game init. Yeah. And we just have that and do player. And you do g_state and include core global state. Nice. I think that should work. And we don't need that. Game init. Here we do game terminate. And render to the update objects. Build all. Okay, I think we need to do g_state pointer. Like that. Let's try it. Okay, it's still unused because we didn't set it. We didn't set the callback. But let's try it if we see something. And we don't because we have memory. Because we have. Okay, we can't. Obviously, if a state a triangle count not equals 0, we don't need to do that because the for loop checks. The for loop only runs if it's 0. Let's try it with state.triangle count not equals 0, but it should not run because that objects. Okay, so it's because we call the update callback and it's not there. We only do that if it's not null. Okay. Let's try. So let's make a static void default quad update callback, which takes in a quad. This just doesn't do anything. and we do quad default update or default quad update callback, and then we need it in the header. Can't do it static. So let's copy that. Quad default update callback, and we check if it's not equal to quad default quad update callback, and in triangle void default triangle update callback triangle this. Okay. And then we do wrap.update callback is default triangle update callback not equal to default triangle update callback. Now it should work. I hope. Yes, perfect. Everything is working. Okay, and now in game.c we just do state.player.update callback is equal to player update callback. Perfect. Still everything is working. Nice. Okay, so now we have cleaned our code a lot, which is good. Yeah, nice. Okay, now let's keep on going and implement the thing I want to implement today, which is subtexture 2D. The subtexture is just a subtexture of a different texture. So let's do type abstract subtexture. Should we do that like that? Subtexture 2D. Subtexture 2D and yeah, what does the subtexture have? It definitely has a do we have texture? Oh, we have. Yeah, I wish let's rename texture.h to texture2d.h. Yes. And do it here as well. And subtexture2d is just a texture2d pointer texture and use it to x and y, which are the coordinates of this sprite sheet. Because like essentially we're going to take in a sprite sheet which is like a sheet with different subtextures. So it's like split it. I can't draw, I know. And this would be 0, 0, this would be 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0 and stuff. So let's store that. And then we need a let's include /math/vector2. We need a vector2 get subtexture to the get text chords, which just takes in a subtexture to the texture. Subtexture to the, let's see, include subtexture to the.h, and that. This returns a vector2. And now I need to look up how I did that. Exactly. because yeah, don't know anymore. Let's go, 120 subscribers. Let's go. Yeah. 120 subscribers, this is nice. And why is it taking like ages to load? I don't like that at all. Okay, so only third-party library is STB image, and probably will be STB true type of stuff in the future, because STB is like the only thing that I don't see a point in implementing myself, because it's like the most boilerplate of boilerplate that you can think of. Where's that guy? Subtexture. Okay, it's doing it. Yeah, we don't do it like that. Don't do it like that. Let's just copy it out for a moment. iPhone. 32 times. Nice. Okay. So let's quickly have that. So vector2 min. Hey, yeah, we need a vector2 pointer. Min is equal to texture dot x times cell size. That's important. Cell size. Subtexture to be create texture to be pointer texture u32x u32y u32 cell size. Let's just make that for utility purpose, and we do subtexture to be red.texture is equal to texture, red.x is equal to x, red.y is equal to y, red.cell size equal to cell size, and we return red. And we do texture.x times texture.cell size, and cell size is a vector too. Let's do vector to chords and cell size, and have a vector to chords, vector to cell size. Vector to chords and vector to cell size. Red.chords is equal to chords and red.cell is equal to cell size. Nice. So we do texture.chords.x, texture.cellsize.x divided by texture.texture.width. This should be and vector to create, and do that, do a float out of that, like that, and we don't need that guy. So width yeah, so this is x and y is float. Wait, where's that from? From nothing. Okay, so texture.chords.y times texture.cellsize.y divided by texture.texture.height. Yeah. Yeah. And obviously it's formatting it that way that you can see anything. Yeah, so vector2 max is equal to vector2 create float texture dot chords dot x plus sprite size. What is sprite size? Sprite size should be sprite size. Sprite size is the size of the sprite, obviously, which is just yeah, okay, let's take it in sprite size, but it doesn't really make sense because we have a sprite and we have the size of it, so why should we take it in separately? Hello Danny Kems, what's up? Glad to see you in the stream. Yeah. Sprite size is sprite size. Chords.x plus sprite texture dot sprite size dot x times texture dot cell size dot x okay, so this is in parentheses divided by texture.texture.width, and we do texture.chords.y times texture.sprite-size.y times texture.cellsize.y divided by texture.texture.width. Oh man, this is pretty long. Let me see if we can see it not even like that. Let me quickly format that a bit better. Divided by the width, and this is a float. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Min and max, and we just do return. I'm from Russia, nice. Glad to see so many people from all around the world. So vector2 pointer red is equal to, yeah, include std lib malloc size of vector2 times 2 and red at 0 is equal to min, and red at 1 is equal to max, and return red. But I don't necessarily want to allocate memory. Can we return a vector2 array? Like that? I don't know if it's possible in C. This code is being weird about that. Red is equal to min and max. Okay, I don't really think so. Yeah, stop that. Like, then we just need the client, which is ourselves, needs to deallocate the memory again, because we can't deallocate the memory when we are returning it, which is a problem that I noticed a lot of times. Okay, whatever. So we can get texture coordinates now that map to stuff, which is good. And yeah, so now let's try to implement that with quad. Load texture, and we can also now do void quad load subtexture. Oh wait, let's say subtexture includes subtexture.h subtexture2d pointer subtexture. And if we do if subtexture subtexture to the pointer, then that's a lot of code. Yeah, it's C and stuff, and yeah, we can't really do something about it. Yeah. Okay, so if subtexture, if we have a subtexture and if it's not equal to null pointer, then no, if it's equal to null pointer, the vertices will be that. But we need to have the vertices here. It's equal to nothing. Can we do that? And then do that? I don't really know, but I doubt it. Okay, so quad create will not work, obviously. Okay, so this is an error. Yeah, so what could we do about it? Just have everything in here. That's like the solution I'm going for. And else you just copy the code and what we can do is ternary operators. Yeah, that's like probably the best solution. We just do subtexture equal null pointer question mark, then that, and else subtexture to the get text codes. Huh? What the fuck? .x. Ah, wait. this is a pointer, so let's do at 0 dot x. And let's try to compile that. Okay, only could create. Okay, that also that subtexture. Okay. Yeah, looks like it compiles. What's the game you're working on? Yeah, I'm programming a game engine currently. The game is not like in a state yet that you can call it a game. At this point, it's just more like a test framework, I think a framework for making games, but yeah. Currently, it's just that, and not really a thing that you can call a game. So yeah. Here it's 0.y. Let's have that here and here. No, it's not letting me do that. Yeah, okay. So subtext is equal to null pointer 0 and else we do 1 at x, and here we do that stuff. We have a comma there, and it's 1.y, and here it's 1. Wait. We only have 4 values. Oh well, I thought you were making a game engine because you wanted to make a game yourself. Yeah, that's true. I am making a game engine for that, but I don't really have the idea of the game yet. I'm like, the idea of making a game engine is like more like it's more spread because I wanted to gain experience in coding and not make a game, and because of that I don't really have a plan of what the gameplay is going to be looking. So yeah. Okay, so this should be min.x, min.y, and this should be min.x and max.y, and this should be max, and this should be max, min. Yeah. So min, max. Okay, so this is min. Then we have min max, and here it's max. So max is that, and yo, 122 subscribers. Thank you very much. Like, thank you very much. It's making me so glad. I love that support. Thank you. And min max.y. This should work, I guess. I guess. And this is max. If you have the skills to make a game engine and you don't create a game just because of lack of ideas, it's being an artist and not drawing anything because there's scary empty canvas. Yeah, no, I'm planning to make a game in my engine, but at this point it's just not. it's not making sense to think of gameplay and how the game is going to be looking, because like I'm making everything from scratch. I worked for the last month. I worked on creating a Windows system on my own math library, stuff which has nothing really to do with gameplay, and I can't really think of gameplay at the moment because it's not even making sense. But obviously I want to eventually create a game in the engine, because that's what I'm making it for. But at the moment I don't have a real idea planned out for the game. That's just my thing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is max.x and min.y. Max. Oh wait. Oh god. Wait, min.y. So this was 1 and 0. This is 1, 1, and this is 0, 0. Okay, it's okay. Wait, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 0. Okay, this is very confusing. Okay, so this is min.x and max.y. I mean, we all start somewhere, even if there are no ideas. Sometimes you just need to start playing around and you don't need to create the metaverse. And also it doesn't make sense to focalize only on. Yeah, I think you are not finished writing. But yeah, obviously you are right. It's not making any sense to create a game engine if you're not making a game, because it's like a paradox and it doesn't make any sense, like, at all. I know that, but I want to create a game, and I have like the most basic structure of gameplay planned out. It's going to be a 2D platformer game, not platformer, 2D top-down game, with pixel art. And so this is what I'm doing right now. I'm making a system for pixel art sprite atlases to load them in. And yeah, I mean, I will think of gameplay if my engine is in the state of making gameplay, because it's not currently. But I think I get your drift, obviously. It's not a bad idea to think of gameplay. At the moment, it's not a bad idea, obviously, but I just didn't get to it. Only focus. That's right, but even a ball that searches for squares is a game. Yeah, so I can show. I have that at the moment, which is like a tester. You can move around, and you have like triangles rendering, quads rendering. This is what I currently got. So yeah. Yeah, window resizing is not currently really working because of stuff. Yeah. But that's what I currently got. Get text 0, 1, so this will be max.y. Wait, this is 0, 1, and this is 0, 1 as well. This can't be. So this is 0 and 1. And this is 1 and 0, yeah. So 1.x and 0.y. Let's try if that even compiles. Please just compile. Thank you. Like, it didn't compile with that part. I think it compiled. Yeah. Okay. So we have that. And loading the texture is pretty easy. What we do is after that we just do if subtexture not equal null pointer. We do quad load texture red. Texture file path is just text subtexture dot texture dot file path. Okay. Okay, now let's try if it even works when you don't put a subtexture in. So if we don't have a subtexture, where's game? Here. So if we just generally don't have a subtexture, we need to put null pointer everywhere. Oh, do we? No, it's triangle. And we need to implement. Should we implement it for triangles? I don't think so. It's not making sense because it's just not making sense because sprite atlas will not contain sprites or triangles. This is like, yeah. Okay, so hopefully it builds. You could make anything with that head going around, like a survival game, the impossible, like a survival game, the impossible game, or you could make it shoot, make it a path with enemies coming. Yeah, so like you sound like a game designer because like you have very good ideas and it's definitely true. But for example, make it shoot around. Like I could, yeah, okay, I could implement that. It's pretty easy with this tag I got. I have an update callback. You could add a quad if we press space, and the update callback is just going to move it like horizontally. Yeah, I could do that, obviously. I get your drift, but I need to focus on like the systems first, and obviously I could do that, but then like then maybe I want to make physics or like an inventory system, and then like I need to create a system for UI. I need to create a system for physics. I need to create my own physics engine. And I think it's better that I first have all the systems implemented and then like make the game with all the systems I implemented, and not like make the game and then like think of some feature I need to add and then oh fuck, okay, now I need to implement that feature and that system into the engine. And yeah, this is like my workflow I am making. Okay, so okay, it's something. Like the guy looks kind of nice. It looks like a bushcraft guy. It doesn't even look that bad. Okay, so like obviously the texture mapping is wrong. Let's look at that. Yo. Yeah. Okay. So 0. So if subtexture is equal to null pointer, then 0. Then 0. Then 0. Then 1. Then 1. Then 1. Then 1 and then 0. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Let's build that and hope that it still works, and please, please, just work. Just work. Yes! Let's go. Okay, we have our dude in our city. Nice. And by the way, like, look at that. I'm resizing it, and the stuff is already breaking because, like, it's easy fix. I already fixed it in another commit which I deleted, and I don't have the code anymore, and I don't know how to fix it again. But we will do that. Yeah, but the engine's pretty crappy. And like, by the way, if you if you know something about OpenGL and stuff, like in the title, as you can see, I'm not using any third-party libraries. Yeah, of course, apart from STB, like, because I'm not going to write my own texture loader. But apart from that, I make everything on my own. Like the windowing system, I did on my own, and I don't know where it is. The input system, where is it? It's here. Which is like 500 lines of code. And I even load my OpenGL functions myself here. And I'm loading OpenGL with Win32. So yeah, this is like everything, like the window even, is made with my engine. By the way, you should note the ideas you have for the game while you think of the actual steps to bring it to life. Are you gonna be there with a game engine and not knowing where to start? They're giving like such good tips. Like, actually, this is really good stuff which you are saying. That's true. Like, I definitely get what you're saying, because like if I'm finished with the engine and yeah, I don't have an idea. That's that makes sense, obviously. Saying very good stuff. And by the way, look at this. You know, like in OpenGL you can enable blending, like for transparent stuff, because like PNGs need to be blended, and so if I do that, it's just not working, because like my OpenGL loader doesn't recognize a function. It says GL enable and GL blend, both functions. Those both functions are not there. They're just not found on my driver. Which is bad, which is very bad. And like the temporary solution that I got is like just discarding every alpha pixel that is 0 in the shader, which is like not the best thing, but yeah. I always think about the platform dependent code, so I code on Java and don't think about it. Okay, yeah, like this is obviously also a way. Yeah, like I don't have platform independence implemented, and it's not that easy to implement on ANC. Like it's not that hard. Like I needed to make a X11 implementation for that, which I made with Win32, and I needed to make a build file, a sh build file, and that's kind of it. And I think I could port it to Linux and Mac, but like porting it to iOS or Android is going to be very hard. So yeah, Java's for that. It's very good for that. Okay, so now let's try something. Let's open up Sprite and make ourselves a little atlas. So 128 by 128. Let's make a, I think that's 16 pixels, I hope. Let's make a quick like Minecraft sprite atlas. Okay, so we have the dirt stuff. Oh, that's not dirt. Okay, let's have it like that. And I hope I will be able to draw like something which maybe looks a bit like dirt. think, yeah, let me see. Like that. Like it's just, what would be cool is like programming an algorithm which does that for you, but because like Dart, for example, or grass in Minecraft is just randomly placing pixels. It's not more. Okay, we need like maybe really like this color. Like that. Oh, I'm not happy about that. Do I have a atlas? Right, atlas. I don't know. I don't think so. Let's do file open recent sprite atlas. Ah, let's go. Okay, we have one. Add some gray pixels and small stones. Yeah, okay, so thank you for the tip. But we already have a sprite atlas, which is cool. Let's do save as and textures. Okay, is that even? No, it's kind of not. Not the right thing. So assets, textures, sprite atlas. Okay, now we have a sprite atlas. So let's try. Let's try making the player grass. A very good idea. Okay, so let's just have a subtexture 2D point, subtexture 2D. Grass texture is equal to subtexture 2D create the texture. Okay, so the texture is just texture is equal to how do I do that? Asset pool load texture. So I need to include the asset pool. I should include core asset pool. No, I think it's renderer asset pool. Okay, so texture is equal to asset pool load texture on file path engine assets textures player nodes sprite atlas.png. So this is the texture. Subtexture create is we get that texture, and the chords is vector to create. Let's just do 0 0. Cell size vector to create 16 16. And the sprite size is a thing which I don't really get, because like obviously the sprite size is automatically the size of the texture. But yeah. Okay, so grass texture. Grass texture, nice. And then we just give grass texture in there and build it. And please God, please, will it work? Will it work, guys? Will it work? Will it even show something? It won't. Oh, it will! What the fuck is that? I think I know what that is. It's the player texture. This is really, really weird. Ah, because we do quad load texture after that. Yeah, now it should work. Now it should please work. Please, just maybe. Let's see. Okay, like The texture coordinates are wrong. But it worked. Which is the good thing, I guess. LMAO. LMAO, definitely. Okay, so chords at 0. Let's do vector to log new line min and yo 10 watchers, let's go. Min and max. Let's log that and see if if that's it should be. What should it be? What can we somehow 16. Why? This is absolutely wrong. This is absolutely not correct. Okay, so texture.chords.x times cell size.x maybe let's try doing where is it? One. Ah, I know why it's 16. Maybe because we are bad at coding. Yeah, okay, you are not bad at coding, but I am. 125 subscribers. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Like, what the actual flip? Sorry for choosing weird words, but don't know how to describe it. Oh, God. Times cell size. So we have texture.chords.x, yeah, we have that here as well. Texture.cellsize.x. You multiply them. Divided by texture.width. I'ma subscribe. Yo, let's go. Like, we did so many subscribers. We have like, that's amazing. Amazing, just amazing. Thank you. And like the stream. Yeah, let's go. Can't help with the code, I'm not a C programmer. See you, buddy. Yeah, see you, bro. Thanks for being here. Like, you gave me very good advice. Yeah, I need to stop streaming because I have a meeting in 20 minutes, which is bad. So I need to stop streaming, but I want to fix the guy. Chords plus spread size times cell size divided by texture width. Divided by height, obvi, but I think it still won't work. Like, it wouldn't make any sense. But still, it's a bug. It's a small bug that we fixed. Okay. Yeah, so it kind of works. I mean, it doesn't, but I mean, like, the algorithm works that even the texture chords can be different, which is good. Wait. we have something here. Where's quartz here? So min.y, min.x, then we have max. This is wrong. This should be like that. Max.x and max and min.y. Yeah, and then we have max, and then we have min, max. So min, max. Obviously it won't work because our texture coordinates are absolutely broken and absolutely don't make any amount of sense. But still. Okay, now the shader won't compile. Now it will compile because it's weird. Okay, so we don't quite have the thing correctly implemented, but we can use different texture coordinates, which is a point, which is very good. And we can load a different texture, and it's kind of working. And we made updating textures, updating quartz easier. Yeah, and we made a game, like a game thingy. So I'm pretty proud of the stream. It was a good stream. Like, I need to go because like I have 18 minutes left. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I hope you see you in the next stream, where we will definitely like fix the texture. And yeah, so